Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to increase watch time on YouTube. I'm going to give you 2 tips. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. So let's get right into the 2 tips. How to increase your watch time on YouTube. The first one is to add your video to a playlist when you're done uploading it. So what we're going to do is go to Creator Studio, and we're going to go, I'm actually just now doing this, but I know that it really increases your watch time, which is what YouTube rewards and helps you to rank higher. So I'm going to go down to a review that I did on ClickBank University, and we're going to go in to edit the info and settings, and then you'll see on the right hand side here, add to playlist. So we're actually going to create a playlist, internet product reviews, create new, and there, it's been added. We're going to save changes, and then I'm just going to go through and add any other internet marketing product reviews that I've done, so they'll all be in one playlist. So that way, when people come to your channel, you can see right here, they can go to playlists. I have a couple here already. Well, that was the one I just added, and then how to build an affiliate marketing funnel in 10 minutes. There was 2 parts to that, ClickBank for beginners. So just go ahead and add your videos to a playlist. That's the first tip to get people to stay on your channel longer. The second tip is end screens and cards. So we're going to go to Creator Studio again. And I'm going to go back to that same video because I actually haven't added this to that video. And we'll do the same thing. We'll just go in here. We're going to go to end screen and annotations. So basically what this is when towards the end of your video, you can have these end screens that come up where if people click on it, it will take them to other videos of interest. And what you can do too is go into your analytics and see where people drop off, and that's where you can add these end screens. So what you're going to do is go to add element, and we're going to go to video or playlist, create. And the first, we're going to actually add 2. The first one's going to be best for viewer, and we're going to add the element. So we're going to drag this down here so it'll just show up at the bottom. There'll be, the video will show up there. And then we'll add another one, the most recent upload. And we'll put that right there. And you can see that you can move this if you'd like, but YouTube recommends it's within the last 20% of your video. So that's super powerful because people may click on these videos as they're finishing watching this video. So after you do that, you will click save. And then the other thing you can do is add a card. So at the end, you can have it linked to another video, which will be, hey guys, it'll be up here in the upper right hand corner. You've probably seen those on people's videos, and it'll take you to something that's related to the video that they're watching. So then you can add card. This is about ClickBank University review, so we can add a video about ClickBank tutorial for beginners. So something related. So you click on that, and then you can add what you want it to say. So I will put ClickBank tutorial for beginners, and it's over character. Okay, and then create card. And then what's going to happen is this card will come up towards the end of this video, and that's a way to retain your viewers a little bit longer, and that's again what YouTube rewards. So this is a great way to increase your view time on YouTube, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and click the thumbs up, give me a like, and if you want to find more information like these videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.